Hey, this is Uwe. I'm the CTO of Image Engineering, and I would like to give you an introduction to the iQ-Analyzer-X. The iQ-Analyzer-X is equipped with a powerful database connection. So I can store results either with a team on a centralized server, or I use my own local database. In any case, I can recall results that I have stored to database so that I can compare and read data from previous analysis. I have a powerful tool to select data that I have already stored. So in this example, I have a lot of data from different cameras, so I can go through these results and also filter for different EXIF data. So I can look for my specific data set that I stored and that I might need for my comparison work. Even my images are stored if I want to, so that I have the full experience as if I analyzed it just today. That is a very powerful tool to work with all your data. Thanks for your interest in the iQ-Analyzer-X. We look forward to share more with you next week.